I chose the box by Brendenlmao, LMAO, and I just got it today. I'm gonna unbox it live on camera. What I was noticing, there's golden tickets. It says, "Believe the North Pole." So I was thinking, like, is it from the YouTuber or is it from Santa? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So I'm super duper excited to see what exactly is inside this mystery box. I know he sold 1,000 of them. There was 1,000 available. Okay. Is it from Santa or who's it from? Okay, so let's see. There's a little snowman and they're smiling happily with their candy canes. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. It's the mystery box and there's millions and millions of question marks on it because we don't know what's inside. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we have. Okay, so let's see what we have up first. First we have scan if you dare. And then we have candy. Oh, customize. Wow, that's fancy. And then we have, ooh, a crab watch. So exciting. Let's see, what is this? We're talking cold, hard cash. Ooh. I got $50. Woo! I got the cold hard cash. Okay, well, let's see what else we have inside here. Ooh, a fancy necklace. Let's see what we have. A crab tumbler. That is too cute. You're never, ever gonna believe this. There's a little baby elf. He's sitting on the box shelf. I can't believe it. Okay, let's see what else we have inside here. Okay, so we have another present. And yeah, Santa's on it. What is this? We're talking cash. Whoa, we're talking cash crab ornament. Oh, I can't believe it. This is the best mystery box in the whole wide world. A chapstick with a crab on it. Another M&M candy yum yum. What's this? Over the river and through the woods. Oh, what's inside this? Okay, let's go ahead and see. It's a little baby bass squirty. It's so cute. Oh, and there's one more thing. It's Santa with cash. That is so crazy. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my baby elves do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.